Hello dear students, welcome to your GK class. Today we will do two chapters of your book. First we will do chapter number 42. Name of the chapter is Cities and Their Taglines. Some cities and countries around the world are so popular that people have described them in endless ways. दुनिया भर के कई शहर और देश इतने पॉपुलर हैं कि लोगों ने उन्हें अनकाउंटेबल वेज में डिस्क्राइब किया है. Here in this chapter, we bring to you popular sobriquets of some places with the help of the sobriquets name the city. The meaning of sobriquet is nickname. Okay? First one is the city of dreams. Which city is known as the city of dreams? Answer is Mumbai. Mumbai, the capital city of Maharashtra, is called the city of dreams because it offers limitless opportunities for not only Indian citizens across the state but also for the people across the borders. Second is the Lion City. Which city is known as the Lion City? Answer is Singapore. Singapore get its name from Malay word Singa, which means lion, and Pura, which means city. Third one is the Big Apple. The city which is called Big Apple is New York. This nickname was first popularized in the 1920s by John J. Fitzgerald, who was a sports writer for the New York Morning Telegraph. Fourth is the Windy City. The city which is called the Windy City is Chicago. This nickname comes from the frigid breezes that blows off Lake Michigan and sweep through the city's street. Next one is the city of lilies. The city which is known as the city of lilies is Florence because this city is famous for its flowers and lilies. Next is the peace capital. The city which is called the peace capital is Geneva. Students, Geneva is the second biggest city in Switzerland. Next is the city of lights. The city which is known as the city of lights is Paris. Paris was one of the first large European cities to use gas street lighting on a grand scale on its road and monuments. Next is the Pink City. Which city is called the Pink City? Answer is Jaipur. The reason that Jaipur has been popularized with the name Pink City is because of the color of the stone exclusively used for the construction of all the buildings and structures. Because pink was considered to be the color of hospitality, Maharaja Ram Singh of Jaipur painted the whole city pink in color to welcome the guests. Students, our chapter number 42 is done. Now we will do chapter number 46. Name of the chapter is Landmarks Around the World. There are many famous landmarks across the globe. Identify the name of the famous places with the help of the clues given below. Let's start with the first one. Located in Dubai, this is the world's tallest building. यह दुबई में स्थित है और दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची बिल्डिंग है. Answer is Burj Khalifa. Second question is, this is an oval amphitheater made in the Roman age which staged many games and shows for the amusement of the Roman citizens. यह रोमन युग में बना एक ओवल एम्फी थिएटर है जहाँ पर रोमन सिटीजन्स के एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए गेम्स और शोज़ किए जाते हैं. आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज Colosseum. Third is a gift from France to USA. This monument is located in New York. This monument was a gift from France to USA and it is located in New York. The name of this monument is Statue of Liberty. Question number 4 is, with a length of 21,196.18 km, this is the longest man-made structure in the world. ये दुनिया का सबसे लंबा मैन-मेड स्ट्रक्चर है जिसकी लेंथ है 21,196.18 किलोमीटर. Answer of this question is the Great Wall of China. Question number 5 is, this bell tower is located in Italy and is famous for its leaning structure. यह बेल टावर इटली में स्थित है और इसके झुके हुए स्ट्रक्चर के कारण ये फेमस है. Answer of this question is Leaning Tower of Pisa. Question number 6 is, this monument is located in Paris and is one of the most visited tourist attractions in the world. यह monument पेरिस में स्थित है और दुनिया के most visited tourist attractions में से एक है. Answer of this question is Eiffel Tower. Question number 7 is, located in India, this is the tallest statue in the world, standing at a height of 182 meters. This is located in India. यह दुनिया की सबसे ऊंची इमारत है जो 182 मीटर की ऊंचाई पर खड़ी है. Answer of this question is Statue of Unity. Students, this is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. That's all for today, dear students. Thank you and have a wonderful day.